lived a little mermaid with a heart of gold. Her name was Coral, with hair so bright. She danced with the dolphins in the soft moonlight. She loved the sea, her world so blue, with the fish and the crabs, her family too. In her ocean home, where the sunbeams sway, every day was an adventure in the most magical way. Under the sea, where the fish swim happy and the crabs run free. Join the mermaid, come and see the magic and the wonder of the deep blue sea. Coral had a friend, an octopus so kind, with 8 wiggly arms, he was one of a kind. He'd twirl and twirl in the bubbling tide. With Coral by his side, the laughter couldn't hide. They met a school of fish, all colors so bright. They shimmered and sparkled in the pale moonlight. The turtles would glide so gentle and slow, as Coral and her friends watched them go. Under the sea, where the fish swim happy and the crabs run free. Join the mermaid, come and see the magic and the wonder of the deep blue sea. One day they found a treasure chest, hidden in the sand where the seashells rest. With pearls and jewels so shiny and grand, they wondered who lost it in this far-off land. Coral's friend, the starfish wise and old, told them a tale of a pirate bold. He sailed the seas many years ago, and left his treasure where the seaweed grows. Under the sea, where the fish swim happy and the crabs run free. Join the mermaid, come and see the magic and the wonder of the deep blue sea. As the days went by, they played and explored, finding new places they had never seen before. The jellyfish danced with a gentle glow, as the current took them where they wanted to go. They sang with the whales so deep and grand, their voices echoed through the watery land. In the coral caves they'd hide and seek, with the playful sea lions and the shy little shrimp. Under the sea, where the fish swim happy and the crabs run free. Join the mermaid, come and see the magic and the wonder of the deep blue sea. So if you ever dive down and the ocean you explore, remember little Coral and the friends she adores. In the deep blue water where the mysteries stay, there's always a new adventure just a splash away. Under the sea, where the stories unfold, with Coral and her friends there's always more to be told. The ocean is a playground vast and wide, so come on in, take a dive and enjoy the ride.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.